Shifting focus now to the other big story that is defining the news agenda. Omicron strain of the coronavirus is a matter of concern, not just in India, but all over the world. Centre and states are on alert in view of this highly transmissible variant. Centre has now issued fresh guidelines for international travellers from affected nations and made screening mandatory at all the airports. Negative RT-PCR tests on arrival in India has also been made mandatory. After arrival, the passengers would have to quarantine for 7 more days, after which they would be tested again. Sample testing would be done for travellers coming in from countries excluding from the flagged nations. In all the cases, if any traveller tests positive, genome sequencing would be conducted to ensure the COVID variant. Centre has also decided to review the flight resumption decision amidst the Omicron threat. Centre has also asked states to enforce intensive containment surveillance measures. States have been asked to be on high alert and prepare an action plan in case of any contingency or emergency. Expressing concern, Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray will be speaking to Prime Minister regarding international flights.
कोरोना की विकट परिस्थिति में भी देश ने 100 करोड़ से अधिक डोजेज कोरोना वैक्सीन और अब हम 150 करोड़ की तरफ तेजी से आगे बढ़ रहे हैं। नए वेरिएंट की खबरें भी हमें और सतर्क करती हैं और सजग करती हैं। मैं संसद के सभी साथियों को भी सतर्क रहने के लिए प्रार्थना करता हूं।
ஓமைக்ரான் அதாவது உலகத்துல வந்து தென்னாப்பிரிக்கால 1-2 பேரை பாதிச்சிருச்சுன்னு தெரிஞ்ச உடனே அடுத்து இமிடியேட்டா போய் நம்ம இன்டர்நேஷனல் ஏர்போர்ட்ல பாதுகாப்பு விதிகளை வந்து பலப்படுத்தி இருக்கோம். வர்ற பயணிகளை வந்து கண்காணிக்க சொல்லி இருக்கிறோம்.
If we find that someone is positive from the places of these vulnerable places, we'll ensure that they will be taken into hospitals and they will be treated accordingly. And similarly, in the last 15 days, those people who have traveled from Africa and other countries, we are trying to track their primary and secondary contacts, and we are testing all of those people.
At this moment, answers to these questions are difficult to say. It's too early days for this. The surveillance is on, as has always been. So if it arrives in India, of course, we'll come to know. And of course, the hotspot has been South Africa. Their situation is a bit concerning. I would not say alarming. It's concerning because it has accumulated a large number of mutations. So that's what actually is puzzling from the science perspective, that how did it accumulate so many mutations at once?
That the number of mutations which are seen in this particular variant are far too many. In the spike region, that's the region of the virus which sticks onto human cells and then enters into body. There are more than 30 mutations. Within a week or 10 days in Pretoria and surrounding area, this virus completely overtook the Delta virus, which was previously the dominant virus.